Here's a 2018 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you want. Features include power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, configurable instrument gauges, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, auto dimming rear view mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.